Hey, do you have a window unit? You know, it's getting winter time, and as you know, as a window unit owner, you need to cover it up during the winter. Got gifted a AC unit cover made out of a Oxford cloth aluminum. Basically, it's a composite between the Oxford cloth, which a lot of times is like polyester, like a polyester blend. Anyway, it's waterproof. It has the aluminum backing on it for insulation. It's designed to keep out the rain, snow, dust, and other debris out of your unit when it's not in use. Really nice. A lot better than trash bags and duct tape, right? Has the straps on it to get it tightened down. Just put that around the unit. We're basically going to put it on the unit now, but I was wanting to show it to you to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. I have no complaints whatsoever. Looks like it ought to be a good one. Look at there. Ought to keep it, any of the air, the cold air, ought to keep it from seeping through as well as keeping out the unwanted debris. So let's take it over and get it put on there and see what it looks like and how well it fits. Stick around. Fits on there pretty nicely. I was worried that it might be a little too big, but it doesn't look like it's going to be. Okay, well, we have made a discovery. This will not fit the standard window units that are available at all your major appliance stores. It only fits a Midea U-shaped air conditioner. Never heard of it, never seen one like that anywhere, but it will not fit on a regular window unit. It fits on there great. However, the straps are here, and it is designed to go on like this, but you know, with your standard window unit, that won't work. But as far as the material and the build quality of it, it's good. No complaints, and we're still going to be able to use it. We're just going to have to go back to the regular duct tape because these straps are back here, and there's no way to hook them. So be advised of that before you order it. Make sure you have that Midea type air conditioning unit, or this will not fit. But as far as the quality of it and everything, it's definitely a thumbs up on that. Just the wrong design for your standard window unit. If you have that kind of window unit and you want to order one of these covers, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. If you got any value at all out of this video, which I hope you did if you're getting ready to buy one so you'll know, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.